Peras, salam dari kami suku Batak Toba di Samosir, negeri indah, Kepingan, Sulu. Berbicara Batak, pasti ingat Tapanuli. Berbicara Tapanuli, pasti ingat Samosir. Kenapa? Samosir adalah asal suku Batak. Semua suku Batak yang ada di Sumatera. Walaupun terakhir ini ada tren, sepertinya ada suku tertentu yang mengatakan kami bukan Batak. It's okay, itu terserah mereka. Tapi menurut sejarah, menurut literasi yang ada, Batak itu ada 5. Batak Toba, Batak Simalungun, Batak Karo, Batak Angkola, Batak Mandailing, dan Pak. Jadi 6. Kenapa? Angkola dan Mandailing itu ada 2. Tapi sebenarnya kita sering bilang ada 5. Asal muasal suku Batak, bukan hanya Batak Toba, adalah di Cianjur Mula. Orang bilang Cianjur Mula Topa, Cianjur Mula Jadi, Cianjur Mula Parbinotoan. Itu adalah asal pertama suku etnis Batak. Itu menurut literasi dan kepercayaan, bukan mitos. Berbicara Batak, berbicara asal usul, pasti ingat Samosir. Samosir sebagai sentra adat, sejarah Batak, dan budaya Batak. Kali ini kita akan membahas ada pameo atau pernah mungkin terdengar orang Batak makan orang. Pasti Anda tertarik. Orang Batak makan orang. Batak kanibal, tanda kutip. Pertanyaannya, siapa yang makan orang dan kenapa orang dimakan? Ayo ikuti video kita kali ini. Horas. Sejarah tentang orang Batak makan orang akan dibawakan oleh Insinyur Gading Jansen Siallagan. Insinyur Gading ini adalah termasuk keturunan Raja ke-17 Siallagan. Insinyur Gading adalah pensiunan dari PT Industri Pesawat Terbang Nusantara, di mana Pak B.J. Habibie dulu sebagai presiden direkturnya, atau IPTN. Keren bukan? Insinyur Gading Siallagan adalah lulusan ITB, Institut Teknologi Bandung, jurusan Teknik Fisika, angkatan 78. Dahulu, Insinyur Gading dikontrak oleh ITB untuk membuat pesawat WISE, yaitu pesawat yang dapat terbang 1 meter di atas permukaan laut, atau under construction.
Sorry. You're right, because I almost sit here when it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I want to wait to someone to ask them, how about Siallagan in the past? I think 1 year I need them, no one down talking with me. So I realized, do you know Batak is wandering, don't you? You want to go anywhere. They spirit too. I don't know where they go. In the Christmas day, they come back here for a couple of minutes. For holiday. So don't believe about that, okay? After someone find a good day, they will talk out criminal from there, bring to another stone behind of this wall. So the execution will be done in another place. But here only meeting something like justice place. Well, that is about this place. Before we continue to execution, maybe you have any question?
Thank you very much.
Well, have any question? No, it's finally decision from the king. This is the second generation of. Yeah, the first generation that is in that mountain is 600 years ago and already died. So now it's not more than 100. Well, anything clear? If anything clear, I will give you a testing. Don't make mistake. I will execute here. Well, before I told you, jail there is in under king house. My question is, what reason king make a jail must be in under king house? Why they not make special room for jail? Why should be in under king house as jail? What king reason for that?
Can be monitored.
Come on. What's the idea? What the reason? What should be there? Why don't I make special room?
No more place in jail room. To make easier
You scared?
to make easier. Easy monitoring.
Yes? Come on.
You're the king.
To set the place. To set the energy. To make easier. To set the energy, the money, blah blah blah.
Yeah, so you mean the king want to make sure they should. Well, let me give you applause because we have one to be executed today. What? Other people can answer me? Well, what they put usually in under house?
Chicken.
Animal. So what's your conclusion?
Here's an animal.
Yes, it's not human being anymore, but animal. Whoever may be crime for the king is not human being, but animal. So after execution, can we eat the body?
Yes.
That's what happened here. That's what happened here. Whoever may be crime for the king is not human being. And after execution, king will ask people who want to eat this. Not all people. Because you already make mistake, we make barbecue. Do you agree? I think it's enough for 100 people. And you have a plan. the son of the king, only one, but it's died Java. And then they make one statue like his son. And then king asks people to call the spirit of the son. And they put in the statue. So this statue, when his father may have playing a Batak music, and his father will dance with his son, even this statue. Now it's named Sigale Gale. Sigale Gale, our Sigale Gale still can dance, believe me. But it wants to dance by itself. But if this Sigale Gale see all of people dance in front of him, he directly dance with you, trust me. But look in the other house, there's someone to operate this. Well, we dance together and we can dance here, and if you don't have the Batak blanket, you can wear the Batak blanket and its accessory. Let me go to dance, Batak traditional dance. Yes? Depend on lawyers. Well, let me go to dance. Yeah, operator dance. We stand up here from there with each accessories. Or someone down to give it to.
Bagi para wisatawan yang pernah berkunjung ke Kabupaten Samosir, budaya Samosir, pasti pernah mendengar patung si gale-gale. Ada yang ingin lihat atau mendengar kisahnya? Ini saya akan ceritakan. Kisah patung si gale-gale. Kisah ini berawal dari suatu kerajaan yang sedang melakukan perebutan wilayah dengan cara perlawanan dan peperangan. Seorang raja dari daerah Samosir mengutus anaknya bernama Manggale untuk terjun ke medan perang merebut wilayah kekuasaannya. Tanpa disangka, Manggale tewas dalam pertempuran tersebut, sedangkan ia merupakan anak satu-satunya dari keturunan raja tersebut. Adanya kejadian tersebut membuat raja terpukul dan jatuh sakit. Pasalnya, Manggale merupakan satu-satunya pewaris keturunan dari raja tersebut dan tewas dalam medan tempur. Semakin hari, kondisi raja semakin kritis dan tidak ada lagi harapan untuk hidup. Akhirnya para penasihat raja berkumpul untuk membahas kesembuhan raja agar dapat memimpin kerajaannya lagi. Alhasil, penasihat raja memanggil datu atau dukun untuk membuatkan patung kayu yang menyerupai wajah Manggale agar sang raja bisa kembali pulih. Setelah patung tersebut selesai dibuat, datu atau dukun melakukan upacara ritual untuk memanggil arwah Manggale agar masuk ke dalam patung tersebut. Lalu, patung yang menyerupai anaknya diberikan kepada raja. Melihat patung tersebut, raja pun spontan sembuh dari penyakit yang dideritanya. Akhirnya, raja dapat memimpin kembali kerajaan. Setelah melihat patung tersebut yang persis dengan wajah anaknya. Begitulah kisah patung si gale-gale. Jadi, buat para wisatawan yang sudah sering foto di Samosir, tepatnya di Tomok, yang paling sering di Tomok, pasti belum mengetahui tentang kisah patung si gale-gale. Begitulah ceritanya. Semoga menginspirasi Anda untuk kembali datang dan datang kembali berlibur ke Samosir, negeri indah, kepingan surga. Setelah selesai menortor atau menari tarian Batak, semua peserta akan memasukkan ringgit sitio suara atau uang ke dalam tandok yang telah disediakan, sambil mengambil beras dari wadah atau cawan yang disiapkan dan membuat beras ke atas seperti membuat sipir nitondi, agar kita semua sehat dan selamat. Hal ini juga sebagai pertanda bahwasanya doa kita, harapan kita kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa telah sampai, dan semoga Tuhan memberkati kita dimanapun kita berada. dengan memegang ujung ulos atau kain ulos. Selesai menortor, diakhiri dengan mengucapkan kata horas sebanyak 3 kali sambil melambaikan ujung ulos ke arah atas sebanyak 3 kali.
Consists of 12 months. Each month only 30 days. They not use number, but all symbol is 30 days. And only 2 meaning symbol, good day or bad day. Another thing the shaman used to find a good day is Batak magic book. They use it a while. If you see this book, have 3 chapters. First, it's talking about Batak astronomy. Second, about Batak medicine. And third, about Batak magic word. That's the function of this book. My father said, if someone wants to be expert to use this to know what a good day today, at least he needs 30 years to learn this to become expert. But believe or not, 10 years ago when I tried to learn by myself and I can. So I can use it to find a good day, what a good day today. If you don't mind, if you have any time, I want to use my magic to know what a good day today. Are you agree? But I'm sorry, because I'm still 10 years. I need 30 years more. Well, how to use it? First, we have to look this calendar. What the date today and what symbol is today. Today it's 8 or 7? 8 in August. Wow, there's a symbol here. So if you want to understand the meaning of the symbol, you have to go to chapter number 3, magic word. Using a little bit magic, you can know what the symbol means. Well, I'll try to use my magic. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the rapidity of my friend who has magic tricks we are proposing, especially we bring a magic chair or magic phone. Well, there are 3 things. Say here, today is a good day when you come to my place. Okay? And today is a good day to buy sugar. And today is a good day to ship someone. Because your sister only is one month. Yeah, I'm not this is not for shaman, but for Bukan. See, this stick has super magic power. That's why this stick you can use it to call rain and stop rain. When the need rain, we give it to the sun. Spell magic word, when rain in it come down. And when we need rain, spell magic word, when we need it stop. And the tree also, this tree, we can use to communication, to talking with another tree. Something like that. Do you have mobile phone? You just say hello. Say hello. Hello? Yeah, you have mobile phone? Just say hello.
Hello.
Hello? You see, he's talking. The same thing. This blanket needs to have a put on that side like this. This blanket is for the side. And this blanket is all around. When you go to the house, we use this hand, like hand, like this. Because it's very hot. When we go to the farm, they make headlights.
Calon mantu. Dapat marga udah.
Selfie sana.
Execute.
Now, this blended means the tools I speak now to avoid and protect the people from violence. I need one of you shepherd. Who want to be a shepherd? With a lot of meat. How about you? First thing first, you visit blanket to avoid contact. Be careful. Slightly bend and lighten and press up here.
Bye. Bye, Fernando.
Bye bye Fernando. Bye bye.
To take out anything power from this criminal by hitting the body 3 times.
Selamat Fernando.
Pelmetic word, dance around this double 7 times. Repeat it again. Pelmetic word, dance around this double. And then 3 times here is scream. Scream please. Yeah. Are you cheating? Cheating over there. Well, now start to torture. So this level we call torture together. All body will slice. And then spread with lime juice.
Oh.
To make particularly weak like no bone, because there is a regulation, an executioner can execute him in only one blow. If I fail, I will release him. So I need to torture the body to make sure he's not quiet. And after make sure he's not quiet, to bring him over here. Stand like this. Don't worry, I got you. Down. Put your hand in the left side to the well, and then we are told to support executioner. But
Last word, please.
Want to try again?
Nang marami man ang ganunulot wain.
I love you!
One, two, three.
Cocok.
That's it. They can't over. They can't. This cousin is going to jump in the now over the body. We already not even but again, let the answer really and then he will jump on and she asks, what want to be barbecue? What you like it? Like barbecue? Yeah. Yeah, we talk something. You can finish it? No? So why? If I make it, I can see it. So if I make it, I'm not strong enough. But why? Why he asks people to do it? He asked people to leave because he wanted to know who was the woman, who was my soldier. He asked people to know who was my soldier, who was the big man. Do you know in Batak, I was a little when the big man, the strong man, when he really meant what he said. The strong man, when he really meant what he said, how he eat, how he eat. So you can debate if the strong man here, every time, when he ate, he always say how he eat, how he eat, and then he asks you what he answers. Sorry, my kid, I'm vegetarian. My girls are all high. Big mouse, but I say no Asian, no one. And as a result, they don't know the latest 7 years in life, and always say was a big the village spirit. But before I tell you about that, I want to ask. When you are passing, do you hear something? No one will hear something. No. The person with capacity. No. It's me. You come to my place for life. If there is someone talking to you, Batak is coming to ask them to come to. Okay? So instead, more people will come to my place. You will give me. Thank you for coming.
Oke. Ayo, kita pulau. Malam-malam lanjut. Salam horas dari Samosir, negeri indah, kepingan surga.